In today's video, we'll be reviewing the new 2024 Toyota Highlander.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome once again to Sim Action Auto Review channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification, like, share and also, comment down below. Past Toyota Highlanders have taken the shotgun approach to the midsize SUV segment, offering myriad trims, standard and hybrid powertrains, and front, or all-wheel drive variants in order to cover the widest possible swath of buyers. The Highlander gets some relief for 2024 with the arrival of the larger 2024 Grand Highlander, which offers more third row and cargo room. This leaves the Highlander free to focus on its core mid-sized mission, which starts with dropping the base L trim from its crowded lineup and, sorry to disappoint, that's about the extent of changes for 2024. It continues to deliver a smooth ride and acceptable handling characteristics as expected of a family-focused SUV. If it has a wild side, we've never experienced it. The interior is nicely equipped, again favoring useful, logical utility features above all else. The infotainment is intuitive, a host of driver assistance features are standard, and the turbocharged 4-cylinder and hybrid powertrains return decent fuel economy. The Limited and Platinum models do a good impression of a Lexus, with handsome leather upholstery, a premium JBL stereo system, and additional tech features. Still, the Highlander prioritizes middle-of-the-road sensibilities above all else. The Mazda CX-90 offers a far more stylized interior and better driving dynamics, while the Kia Telluride and the Hyundai Palisade deliver more luxury and third-row room. The Highlander, while thoroughly competent, is a less compelling alternative in comparison. The updates for 2024 are minimal. The base L trim has been discontinued, as are the bronze editions of the Hybrid and Hybrid XLE. In their place are LE Nightshade and XLE Nightshade trims of the hybrid model. Additionally, the XLE, XSE, Limited, and Platinum trims now have a standard hands-free power liftgate. Toyota replaced the V6 with a new turbocharged 4-cylinder for the 2023 model year. With the base L banished from the lineup for 2024, the XLE is an even more appealing value proposition and remains our trim of choice. In addition to the LE's long list of standard kit, the XLE adds heated front seats, second-row captain's chairs and sunshades, a wireless smartphone charging pad, and a power sunroof. All-wheel drive costs $1,600, and we'd also spring for the premium audio with dynamic navigation package, which brings in-dash navigation and an upgraded stereo system. The 2024 Highlander offers buyers a choice of a traditional gasoline or hybrid powertrain. The gas version uses a 265 horsepower turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and either front or all-wheel drive. So equipped, our drivers coaxed an all-wheel drive version from 0 to 60 mph in an unhurried 7.2 seconds. The Highlander Hybrid employs a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors for a combined 243 horsepower. The Hybrid uses a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and offers a choice between front and all-wheel drive. Though considerably more fuel-efficient, the Highlander Hybrid keeps pace with the gas car, trailing it by just 1/10 of a second in the 0 to 60 mph run. Both versions provide the stable and predictable ride and handling characteristics preferred for family chauffeur duty. Once a bit of an outlier, the Highlander Hybrid now has a bevy of competitors, including the Ford Explorer Hybrid, Hyundai Santa Fe Hybrid, Mazda CX-90 PHEV, Kia Sorento Hybrid, and more. Pitting these electrified utes against each other, the Toyota comes out on top in terms of fuel economy. The gasoline Highlander wears EPA estimates 25 miles per gallon combined, 21 miles per gallon city, and 29 miles per gallon highway, though the all-wheel drive version subtracts 1 mile per gallon in each metric. The Highlander Hybrid is significantly more efficient, returning 36 miles per gallon combined, 36 miles per gallon city, and 35 miles per gallon highway, with all-wheel drive models registering 1 mile per gallon less in combined and city ratings. To date, we haven't had an opportunity to put either version through our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route, but we'll update this story with the results when we do. I'm so excited that you really understand the features of this ultimate car. Can you please do me a favor of subscribing to this channel and clicking the notification bell, so that you'll be the first person to be notified as soon as we upload another video like this. Thank you.